To speed up the process, Altium Designer uses the Project Releaser tool. We can either release the project to the workspace, which is the recommended best practice, or we can do a local release. Let's show a local release. Click on the project file and select Project Release. Here we see the steps needed for the generation and release of the needed files using the project's outjobs. Click on Prepare to start the release process. If an error message pops up, please fix it and then restart. Here we have just warnings which we can ignore. The files have been generated now, and we are ready to release. Clicking on Release, we can see the link to the location for the project output folders located on our PC. We can follow this link to see what was created. Here we can see the various files. These 3 folders would be used for release to the assembly, the fab houses, along with a copy of the source files. At this point, you could simply zip up the assembly and fab folders to send out for manufacturing. To dive deeper into the workspace, let's open up the Home tab and select the Learning Center, and then we click on Getting Started. Here we have a number of useful short videos, in particular the Working with Altium 365 series. These 7 videos explore the many possibilities with the workspace, including collaboration and sharing. Please review these as a way to get started in the workspace, as well as feel free to look at the other Getting Started videos for a little bit more deeper dives.